It was a really good, engaging day. And it was really interesting to have this AI and robots things in the morning, and also Laura about her research. And this afternoon, I of course had a workshop, and I could really connect to all these things. And I saw that a lot of people were really engaged and bringing L&D forward in this current times. So it was really great. And my maybe key message is connected also to Laura's story. I think what can we do to move forward as L&D is basically make a connection with your own business in the organization, because I think that a lot of times we lost the connection between the business and we as L&D, and I think this is one very important key point for all of us to be able to move forward.